Your Piedmont experience starts here. Houses in Piedmont real estate. Find your dream home in a fairy tale landscape.
Welcome to the Langhe, a breathtaking UNESCO World Heritage site in Piedmont, Italy. Renowned for its rolling hills, world-class wines, and exquisite cuisine. Nestled in this idyllic landscape, just a short and scenic drive from the charming town of Alba, lies the tranquil village of Sinio. Perched at an elevation of 357 meters, Sinio offers stunning views and convenient access to the legendary vineyards of Barolo, the heart of Nebbiolo winemaking. Imagine owning a piece of this paradise with this charming, semi-detached farmhouse, offering the perfect blend of traditional character and modern potential. Spread over 2 floors, this home features a comfortable bedroom and a spacious cellar on the ground floor. Upstairs, discover a welcoming corridor leading to 3 generously sized bedrooms. Step outside onto the impressive 80 square meter porch, and with over 8,000 square meters of agricultural land already planted with premium Piedmont hazelnuts, your Langhe lifestyle awaits.